Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the best credit score required for a Lendio small business loan. When I first started looking into financing for my own small business, I was overwhelmed by the different requirements for various lenders. Lendio is a lending marketplace, which means they connect you with a large network of different lenders. So there isn't one single best credit score that guarantees approval. However, based on my experience and research, I can give you the clear benchmarks that will give you the best chance of success. First, you need to understand that the minimum required score varies significantly by the type of loan you are applying for through a Lendio partner. For the most flexible options, like a business line of credit or a standard term loan, I found that a personal credit score of 600 or higher is generally the minimum starting point. If you have a score in this range, you'll have options, though the terms and interest rates might not be the absolute best. Now, if you're aiming for the best loan terms, specifically an SBA loan, which offers lower rates and longer repayment terms because it's partially government-backed, you'll want your personal credit score to be 650 or higher. This is really the sweet spot. Having a score of 650 to 700 plus gives you access to the most competitive products and makes your application much stronger. Here's the key takeaway from my journey. Don't just focus on the minimum. While some options like equipment financing or a revenue-based financing might accept scores as low as 500 to 520, these often come with higher interest rates and stricter repayment schedules. A higher credit score directly translates to a lower cost of capital for your business. Remember, credit score isn't the only factor. Lendio's partner lenders will also look at your time in business, often a minimum of 6 months to 2 years, and your annual revenue, which is often required to be at least $50,000 or more. So, while you might get a loan with a 500 or 600, the best credit score to aim for to maximize your loan options and minimize your financing costs through Lendio is 650 and above. This gives you the leverage to secure a better deal, like an SBA loan. Work on that score, get your documents in order, and you'll be in a strong position. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.